This is an extra busy week with Amazon Prime Day, the Apple event, bank earnings, Supreme Court hearings, COVID spreading, and continued hopes of a stimulus package. Michele Schneider, the managing director of the Market Gauge Group, says she is watching it all. Michele, what matters most with trading this week?
Well, considering that we've been really very prepared for this rally now for the last couple of weeks as we started to see that rotation that we talked about into small caps and retail and transportation, we're actually in the mode now of taking some profits. That doesn't mean exiting positions altogether, but definitely taking advantage of this, what's looking now as somewhat irrational exuberance, and taking money off the table. And our portfolio is very diverse, but one thing we really do not have anything on is the banking and financial sector. So we'll be very interested to see what happens here with the earnings in the banks this week.
What makes this rally different?
Well, it's a healthy rally in that most of the rallies we've had really over the last few years have been tech-led rallies, where transportation, retail, small caps, the things that really represent the U.S. economy, always lagged. This rally actually was led by the small caps, retail, and transportation, two of the three, which have made new all-time highs. And tech has rallied as well. It's not that it's sick or anything, but what that tells me is that the optimism about the recovery in the United States, whether it's stimulus-based or not, is being reflected in the market. Of course, we know things can be fickle, but right now it's all looking good. But like I said, always a good idea to take money off the table and not be too greedy, especially when you're getting this gift based on really nothing more than stimulus hopes at this point, and a little bit of optimism on the recovery, of course, provided COVID doesn't get out of control.
Thank you, Michele, for the Trader Talk.
Thank you so much, Angie, for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.